Hi friends, welcome back. This is Davis and Sanford Provista 7518B video tripod with FM18 fluid head. This is unboxing and first look video. Let's unbox it. It's a very good sturdy video tripod having a fluid head, so it's good and convenient for panning horizontally as well as vertically, and it holds approximately 18 lb of load weight, and it has got center stabilizer which holds 3 legs together, and it has got a very good bag. This carry bag has got handle as well as it comes with the shoulder strap. It has got a good secured socket for holding the video head, so the fluid head is safe. So this is the first look of the video tripod, and this is the warranty card. Warranty is for 10 years. So it's from Tiffin company. It has got 2 handles for panning, so it's convenient to handle them with panning vertically and horizontally. This is the fluid head FM18. It has got a quick release plate. There is a button to press to release it. Flip locks. And there is the center stabilizer for the legs, which holds them together so that leveling is easier. So it even extends to more height and good for video shooting. Thanks.